Photogenic. Some guys think being photogenic is all about having a perfect face or good looks, but that's not true. Being photogenic is a skill you can learn just like any other glow-up habit. It's about angles, posture, expressions, lighting, and subtle confidence. The good news is you don't need to be a model or spend hours posing. Small tweaks can make every photo look clean, attractive, and natural. In this video, I'm giving you a complete guide to looking good in photos. By following these steps, you'll start taking pictures that highlight your best features, hide imperfections, and make you look confident, relaxed, and photogenic in every shot. Step 1. Understand your angles. The first step to looking good in photos is understanding your angles. Everyone has a best side, or angles that highlight their jawline, cheekbones, and facial features. Experiment in front of a mirror or camera. Turn your face slightly, tilt your chin down or up, and notice what makes your face look sharper or softer. A common tip is to slightly turn your face to the side instead of straight on. It makes your jawline look more defined and your face less flat. Even small angle adjustments make a huge difference in photos. Once you find your best angles, you'll naturally start posing in ways that make every shot look better. Step 2. Posture is everything. Your posture in photos changes everything. Slouching, rounded shoulders, or leaning back awkwardly can ruin even a good angle. Stand tall, shoulders back, and chest slightly out. This not only makes you look confident, but also elongates your neck and improves overall proportions. If sitting, keep your back straight, lean slightly forward toward the camera, and avoid stiff poses. Good posture communicates confidence, which automatically makes you more photogenic. Step 3. Relax your face. Tension in your face shows up in photos, even if you don't notice it. Relax your jaw, soften your eyes, and avoid forced smiles. A slight, natural smile is more attractive than a wide grin or stiff expression. One trick is to slightly part your lips or think of something that genuinely makes you happy. It creates a natural, effortless look. Avoid overthinking, because the camera catches every micro expression. Relaxed faces always look more appealing. Step 4. Use your eyes. Your eyes are one of the most expressive parts of your face. Squint slightly, often called a smize, to avoid looking dead or flat. Lightly narrowing your eyes adds depth and intensity to your gaze. Avoid staring blankly at the camera. Instead, focus on a point just above the lens. Imagine a story or think of someone you like. It makes your eyes look alive. Eyes convey emotion, and lively eyes make photos feel natural and engaging. Step 5. Work with lighting. Lighting can make or break a photo. Natural light is your best friend. Stand facing a window or in soft outdoor light, rather than harsh overhead lighting, which can create shadows. Golden hour, an hour after sunrise or before sunset, gives the softest, most flattering light. If indoors, use diffuse light sources, avoid direct harsh lights, and angle your face so the light highlights your features. Even small adjustments in lighting dramatically improve your look in photos. Step 6. Mind your hair. Hair framing your face can either enhance or ruin a shot. Make sure it's clean, styled, and not covering your best features. Slightly push hair back or tuck it behind your ears for a cleaner look. For longer hair, avoid flat, lifeless hair in photos. Add a small amount of volume or texture. For shorter hair, ensure it's neat and stray strands aren't ruining your jawline or forehead. Hair is a subtle but crucial part of photogenic photos. Step 7. Choose the right outfit. Clothing impacts how you look in photos more than most people realize. Wear outfits that fit well, highlight your physique, and match your personal style. Avoid baggy, shapeless clothes or overly bright patterns that distract from your face. Colors matter too. Solid, neutral, or earth tones generally work best, while too much neon or clashing colors can take attention away from your features. Small details like well-fitted sleeves, clean shoes, and minimal wrinkles make your overall photo look polished. Step 8. Master your smile. Smiles make or break your photo. A natural, genuine smile looks better than a forced grin. Practice different smiles in the mirror. Slight smirk, big smile with teeth, closed lip smile. See which one fits your face shape best. Remember, over-smiling can look fake, and under-smiling can look unapproachable. A small, relaxed smile with a sparkle in your eyes is ideal. Bonus tip: Think of something funny or pleasant while posing. It automatically creates a genuine expression. Step 9. Use subtle posing techniques. Avoid stiff or awkward poses. Slightly shift your weight to one leg. Angle your shoulders and avoid facing the camera completely straight on. Hands can help add naturalness. Pocket one hand, lightly touch your jawline, or hold a prop casually. Avoid tensing your muscles or overposing. It looks unnatural. The goal is effortless confidence. Practice a few poses in front of a mirror and note what looks best from different angles. Step 10. Experiment with camera heights. The angle of the camera matters more than you think. Shooting slightly from above generally makes faces appear slimmer and jawline sharper. Avoid shooting from too low. It can distort your features and create double chins. For group photos, slightly leaning toward the camera while keeping posture upright improves your presence. Subtle adjustments in camera height can completely change the final photo. Step 11. Highlight your best features. Know what makes you stand out. For some, it's jawline, cheekbones, or eyes. For others, it's a strong smile or defined shoulders. Pose, angle, and lighting can enhance your best features and downplay the less flattering ones. For example, if your jawline is strong, tilt your chin slightly down and turn your head for definition. If your shoulders are broad, keep posture straight and square the camera. Highlighting strengths makes photos look intentional and professional, not random. Step 12. The last step is consistent practice. Take photos regularly, review them, and notice what works. Experiment with angles, expressions, lighting, and outfits. Over time, you'll naturally know what makes you look photogenic. Don't rely only on filters. Real-life photogenic skills are more valuable. Even subtle improvements like adjusting your smile, posture, or gaze can make a huge difference over time. Bonus tips. Avoid over-editing or filters. They can ruin natural appeal. Use natural backgrounds instead of messy rooms. Relax and breathe before clicking. Tension always shows. Small props like sunglasses or jackets can add effortless style. Being photogenic isn't about having a perfect face or model-like features. It's about confidence, angles, lighting, posture, and small, consistent habits that highlight your best features. Follow these steps, practice regularly, and over time, every photo you take will look natural, clean, and effortlessly attractive. The more you experiment with poses, expression, and angles, the more you'll discover what works best for you. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your photos transform from ordinary to absolutely photogenic.